Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for September 1 to 15, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount sa tarot reading services extended hanggang September 2025. Ayan, so kung gusto niyo mag-book, yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment. Ayan, and also please like, share, subscribe, comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate sa ating reading. And also, meron tayong free one question tarot reading. I-comment nyo lang yung question nyo, tapos pipili tayo dyan ng babasahan. Paalala lang, reading na to ay general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Okay, let's see what's up. Capricorn. Capricorn. Overall energy, challenge, opportunity, blessing. Energy ng money, career, finances, love life, and family. Wow, okay. Nice. Kung meron kayong marinig na ingay sa background, sumisigaw na bata, ayan ay aking anak na bunso. Ayan, pasensya na. So anyway, Capricorn, lagyan lang natin ng takip to kasi baka tayo ay ma-call out na naman ni YouTube. Okay, bottom of the deck. Tingnan natin. Uy, the High Priestess. This is your knowledge, your instinct, your intuition. Maaring meron kang may mga bagay na kinikip ka sa sarili mo kasi pwedeng, kaya ayaw mong i-share because you are protecting your plans, no? Yung mga plano mo, pinoproteksyonan mo, kaya ayaw mo yang ipaalam sa iba. Oo. You have the Ten of Cups, the Fool. So, I see, wow, ang ganda nito. Three of Wands. I see, like, a new opportunity for you. Pwedeng meron kang, susubukang bagong plano or pwedeng bagong trabaho, bagong relationship. With the Ten of Cups, this is happiness, no? Happiness, stability, and also having the pagkakaroon ng masayang pamilya. Oo. You also have the Three of Wands. This is expansion. You are exploring your options. So, kung ano yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, mas naghahanap ka ng iba pang pwede mong i-explore, subukan. Meron kang tao ring nami-miss dito, no? Maaring nami-miss mo yung person that you haven't talked to a while, no? Tagal mo hindi nakakausap. This can be your friend, your loved one. But I think, pwede ritong merong magre-reach out na person can be from the past, but this, hindi kasi siya totally from the past, no? Kumbaga, maaring itong person na to, hindi mo pa kino-close talaga totally yung connection mo dito. You have the Nine of Swords, Judgment, Ace of Swords. New ideas. Maaring, ang dami mong idea ngayon na gulong-gulo ka kung ano yung uunahin mo. Doon sa idea na yon. Oo. So, mas maganda na yung iyong isip ay i-focus mo. Kaya nga meron ditong High Priestess is about focusing on what you feel would be best, no? Ano yung nararamdaman mo? Papakiramdaman mo kasi yan. Kasi 'di ba minsan alam natin na this is not gonna work out. Parang baka bugso lang ng damdamin. With the Judgment card, this is about realization, no? Marami ka na realize sa buhay mo na you have to let go na, no, ng mga bagay na nakakapagpa-stress sa'yo at mag-focus ka doon sa whatever is working for you. Yun yung parang i-double down mo talaga na doon ka mas mag-e-exert ng effort sa alam mong lumalago, umuunlad, kaysa dun sa nagpapastress sa'yo. Okay? So, Tingnan natin. Teka lang. I think kailangan ko na talagang isara yung ano, yung pinto. Kaloka. Okay. So, Page of Cups, your overall energy. Pagkakaroon to ng ano, ng mga pangarap. Kaya lang kasi, itong pangarap na to ay hindi pa siya nagagawa ng action. Yung naiisip mo pa lang siya. Or, nai-imagine mo pa lang siya. Pero, you are still in that imagination stage. Na hindi mo pa siya na-execute. So, ito yung challenge mo, Seven of Cups. May confusion. Like what I mentioned sa inyo kanina, pwedeng maraming gumugulo sa isip mo, marami kang ideas. And every idea na yan, nakikita mo na agad kung ano yung scenario niyan. Tapos, nahihirapan ka tuloy kung alin yung pipiliin mo na i-pursue. Nasubukan. Kasi iniisip mo, sayang naman yung opportunity na to or itong bagay na to na iniisip mo na gusto mong subukan lahat. Kaya lang, hindi naman yan lahat mag-work para sa'yo. Dahil hating-hati yung attention mo eh. So, might as well focus on your skills. Ito yung iyong opportunity to focus on your skills. Ano yung galing mo? Nasaan yung talento mo? Saan ka magaling? Saan ka expert? Or saan ka interesado? Kasi pwedeng, hindi naman ako expert sa kahit na ano. O nasaan ang interest mo? 'Di ba? So, you are stepping into your own power. Syempre, sabihin ng iba, walang nangyayari sa buhay ko eh. Hindi kasi hinihintay yun. You have to take that action. At hanggang marami kang iniisip pa ulit-ulit at wala kang sinusubukan na nagte-take action ka, walang mangyayari, no? So, your blessing is the moment you take action, because the Two of Wands is taking action, taking that first step. Actually, yung Ace of Wands, hindi yun first step. Two of Wands ang first step. Kasi yung Ace of Wands is like the inspiration Nandun yung inspiration. Naging Two of Wands na siya kasi you are finally taking that action. So, ano man to na gusto mong gawin, pursue mo na. Oo. Ang problema nga lang kapag hindi mo alam kung alin yung gagawin mo. Kasi some of you want to play it safe na dapat parang may mga bagay na ayaw ka pang i-let go kasi medyo natatakot ka na baka matalo ka in the end. 'Di ba? Ganoon naman talaga sa buhay. Minsan nasugal talaga tayo. Sumusugal tayo. So, ayun. Tingnan natin yung money, career, finances. Yeah. So, ito, the star. The star is about your hopes, your dreams. Maganda siyang energy para sa career ninyo or money. Kasi you are finally more inspired. Merong nag-i-inspire sa'yo ngayon. Nagbibigay sila ng motivation para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo, yung dreams mo for your career, for your business, for your finances. And this is also about healing. So, maaring may mga nag-heal na sa'yo, no? Financially, you are, parang rin to alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mo, kumbaga. So, maaring, yan, proseso para sa'yo na alamin kung ano yung gusto mo para yun yung mabigyan mo ng attention. Sa relationship, if you're single, there's a new partner coming in or a new potential relationship. Oo. Maari ring merong peace offering. May hihingi ng tawad or ikaw yung hihingi ng tawad. This is a new source of happiness. Pwedeng ang baby rin to, no? Kung kayo ay, if you are wanting to have a baby. And the Ace of Cups is also about your, giving, you are giving your love, kumbaga. So, maaaring ikaw yung mag-o-offer nung love na yan. Let's see what else. Capricorn. September 1 to 15, 2025 for Cap. Peace. O, diba? This makes sense kanina. Yung intuition, no? Mercury in Cancer in the 4th house. So Mercury is the planet of communication, ideas, and the energy ng Cancer is about your instinct. So, maaring yung mga ideas mo ngayon, pipiliin mo kung alin yung talagang mas malakas yung kutob mo na doon ka magkakaroon ng stability. Okay? Because the 4th house is about stability, your foundation, your family, what is important to you. You have moon, the sun in Gemini in the 3rd house. Versatility. So, ito na nga. I mean, there's nothing wrong. Walang masama kung marami kang skills kasi maganda nga yun, di ba? Pero sabi nga, di ba, kapag, ano ba yung kasabihan na yun in English? Na yung jack of all trades, no? Master of none. Parang ganun, pero marami siyang kayang gawin. Oo, basta i-comment nyo nga dyan. Hindi ko maalala yung pinaka. But, ibig sabihin nun, marami kang alam. Oo, marami kang alam, pero wala kang expertise. Yun ang pinaka-importante is you have something that you are expert about. Yun yung mas malaki yung potential mo na mas maging successful. Kasi yun yung pinaka-niche mo eh. Seduction. Meron na naman tayong rito. SPG. This is Jupiter in Pisces in the 12th house. Jupiter is the planet of abundance, expansion, prosperity. And it's in your 12th house. Pisces energy is about imagination. So, maaring inire-represent lang siya na parang seduction siya, pero it's about what you are attracting. Okay? So, ngayon, importante kung saan mo pinofocus yung energy mo about what you want to attract. Kung lagi ka nag-overthink na mong problema, yun talagang maa-attract mo. Okay? Kaya, you have to pay attention sa mga bagay, sitwasyon, ideas na ina-attract mo. 'Di ba? Maging maingat sa ina-attract at iwasan mo rin mag-overthink. So, mahirap naman sabihin na, hindi mo naman kasi alam eh. Pinagdadaanan namin. Sige, mag-overthink ka. Buhay mo yan. You have the harvest energy. See, yung mga in-effortan mo, trinabaho mo, makukuha mo naman yung resulta niyan eh. 'Di ba? Meron siyang inani kasi nagtanim siya. So, number 1 is kailangan mo magtanim. Number 2, ano yung kailangan mong itanim? Or gusto mong itanim? Number 3, paano mo aalagaan? I-maintain. Para magkaroon ka ng harvest. 'Di ba? Oh my God. Fertility. Fertility is about productivity. You have to check in with yourself. Nag-productive ka ba? Meron ka bang ginagawa talaga? Nasusort mo ba yung mga dapat mong ayusin, unahin, yung mga priorities mo? 'Di ba? Kasi the more na ma-manage mo yung oras panahon mo, mas nagiging productive ka. Kasi you can be busy. Pwede kang maging busy pero wala kang nagawa sa buong araw. Pero pwede kang busy, like meron kang ginagawa on the side, tapos productive ka. 'Di ba? Kasi kumbaga may katuturan yung ginawa. Yung mga binibigyan mo ng attention. And also, this confirm din nito, yung iba sa inyo may pregnancy dito. New beginning yan, number 10. Your intuition is correct. Follow your inner wisdom without fail. Capricorn, napakalakas ng instinct nyo. Gamitin nyo yan to your advantage, yung intuition nyo. A new creative venture is in the horizon. See it as a positive change. Merong creative venture na parating. Yan ay positibong pagbabago para sa inyo. So, embrace that new beginning. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.